Hey everybody, here we're going to work with, this is for integrated math, we're going to do algebraic expressions practice 1. So this is really just combining like terms and distribution. So this should be a review for all of us, but I figured it'd be worth our time going over this. Alright, so number 1, we have 9p plus 9p. These are like terms, they have the same variable and the same exponent, so we just combine these like terms. So they're both positives, we're going to add and keep, so 9 plus 9 is 18, and we don't change the variable, so it's 18p. All right, here we have negative 9v plus 4v. These are like terms because they have the same variable. These are the coefficients, right? So negative 9 plus 4 is going to be negative 5v. We just take the difference. So we have different signs, right? We know we're going to subtract. We do big minus small, so 9 take away 4 is 5. And we take the sign of the larger number, which is negative. Okay, we got negative 10m plus 4m, similar to number 2, actually. So they're both m terms. Big minus small is 10 minus 4 is 6. We take the sign of the larger number, which is negative, so negative 6m. Okay, here we're going to have 4x take away 7x. So again, they're like terms, so big minus small. So 7 take away 4 is 3. Take the sign of the larger number, which is negative, and don't forget the variable, so negative 3x. Okay, here we're going to distribute. So 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times x is plus 7x, and that's it. We can't combine those. Those are not like terms. Here we have 4 times r and 4 times 3. 4 times r is 4r, and 4 times 3 is 12. Okay. Here we're going to have 10 times negative 2x and 10 times 7. So 10 times negative 2x is negative 20x, and 10 times 7 is positive 70. Here we go. Here, negative 2 times 4v is negative 8v. Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. And that's that. Okay, so number 9, we're going to distribute this negative 5. So negative 5 times 10 is negative 50. Negative 5 times negative 3b would be positive 15b. We have to bring down the negative 9b. So now we're going to combine like terms, which is going to be these two b terms. Okay, and 15b minus 9b would be 6b, positive, because the bigger one's positive, and bring down the negative 50. So we have negative 50 plus 6b. We're going to distribute this 3. So 3 times 9x is 27x. 3 times 5 is 15, positive 15. And then plus 8. Let's combine, why did I cap that? Let's combine the 15 and the 8. So we're going to bring down the 27x. And that's going to be 23, so plus 23. Okay. Here we have to distribute the negative 8. So negative 8 times 1 is negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 8x would be positive 64x. And then bring down the plus 6x. So we're going to combine these like terms. So negative 8, let's see, 64 plus 6 is 70, plus 70x. And then here we're going to distribute the 4. So bring down the negative 6x. 4 times 8x is plus 32x. And 4 times negative 8 is negative 32. Let's combine these together. So negative 6x plus 32, so big minus small. So 32 take away 6 would be 26. Take the sign of the large number, which is positive, so 26x, and then bring down negative 32. So be careful when you're combining like terms. Make sure we know our sign number rules. I'll say that again. So negative 6x plus 32x. That's really just 32x take away 6x, just written differently. But yeah, when you have mixed signs and you're combining, just do the big minus the small and take the sign of the larger number. Okay. Ooh, look at this one. We got double distribution. Oh, it's wild and crazy. All right, we got negative 8 times a, so negative 8a. Negative 8 times negative 4 is positive 32. 9 times negative 2a is negative 18a. And 9 times 6 is positive 54. Okay? So negative 8a and negative 18a, they're both negatives. We're going to add and keep, so negative 26a. And then we have 32, let's cross those out, 32 and 54. They're both positive, so we're going to add and keep. So was that 86, I think? Yep. So negative 26a plus 86. Okay, here we have negative 2. We're going to distribute that. So negative 2 times 10 is negative 20. Negative 2 times n is negative 2n. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times negative 9n is negative 81n. Now we're going to combine like terms. So we have negative 20 and 27. So negative 20 plus 27 is 7. Okay. Then we have negative 2n and negative 81n. So negative 2 minus 81 is negative 83n. Okay. Now number 15, we have double distribution again. So pay close attention to this sign here. Let's not forget that this is a negative 10 and this is a negative 8. That's important. So negative 8 times 3 is negative 24. Negative 8 times negative 3x is positive 24x, because negative times negative. Negative 10 times 1 is negative 10. And negative 10 times 8x is negative 80x. So pay close attention to these signs. Don't get sloppy there. A lot of students make mistakes there. So negative 24 minus 10. They're both negative, so we're going to add and keep. So add them together and keep the signs. So negative 34. And then we have 24x minus 80x. So they're different signs. So we're going to do big minus small. So 80 take away 24. So borrow that. 6, 5. So 56x. And we're going to take the sign of the larger number, which is negative. So it's negative 56x. So negative 34 minus 56x. And then the last one. Again, we have double distribution. And remember, these are both negative, so pay close attention to these negative signs here. So negative 3 times negative 6k would be positive 18k, because it's negative times a negative. So 18k. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Negative 3 times 9 is negative 27. And negative 3 times negative 4k is positive 12k. Okay. So now we're going to combine like terms. So 18k plus 12k is 30k. And then we have negative 6 minus 27. So that would be negative 33. And that's that. So hopefully that alleviates any concerns we have for this activity. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, thanks guys.